Alright, so today I'm going to be changing out the fluid in this through-hull transducer. They have, actually this is in-hull transducer. Doesn't go through it. They also have the transducer that sits on the back in the water. But only thing that I don't like about this transducer is that it does not give you the water temperature, but I really don't care. I just use a infrared gun when I'm out there to see what the top of the water temperature is. So, but yeah, inside this is RV antifreeze, but I'm going to be replacing that with this Aquasonic ultrasound transmission gel. It's supposed to be better, so I'm going to get this stuff taken out of here and changed out. So you've got six bolts to hold this cover on. I installed this initially. It didn't come with the boat, so I installed this myself for my Garmin plotter slash fish finder. It comes with the plotter, but had to add this for the fish finder. So take these 6 bolts out. Don't drop them in the bilge. Snip them 6 bolts. Should come right off. Don't want to lose these bolts though. Just gonna set that back there. All right. Get this antifreeze out of here. Just gonna take some paper towels, Charmin, the quicker picker upper. Get all that antifreeze out of there. Probably gotta get some more. Yeah. Not much left in there. All right. Just take this gel. Just take this gel. Fill it up. This is supposed to work better than the antifreeze. We'll find out, I guess. Might have to save some of this for later on tonight. Alright. Get that all in there. So after you have all that gel in there, carefully take your cap, put the transducer, put it back on. Just wipe that extra off there. Put too much in there. Ain't gonna hurt nothing though. Not gonna hurt nothing. There's an arrow on here. You want to line that arrow up facing the keel or inboard, you know, of the hull. And then once you get that in there, tighten your screws back up. It should be good. What's up, baby? In the boat. I'm in the boat. I'll be out in a second, sweetie. Get all that gel in there. So now, we'll try this out tomorrow. If you guys have any comments or concerns, go ahead and leave them down below. I'll leave a link in the description where you can get this KY/ultrasound jelly. And also this transducer if you want to get one. But I'll follow up with you guys to let you know how this transducer performs with this ultrasound gel in there instead of the RV antifreeze. All right. Thanks for watching.